Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change your website title. So if you'd like to set up a disposable WordPress environment like the one we are using today, check out this service. It's called InstaWP, and it allows you to launch a disposable WordPress installation instantly. It does everything for you, such as setting up SSL. It's extremely flexible and instant. So check it out, instawp.io. Alright, so let's get into our tutorial. And today we are going to be changing the name of the website. So basically this is the site title. And the name of our website is Test87. So we are going to be changing this today. Alright, so if we view our website, we can see that we have our logo as well as our site name. And right under we have our tagline. So just another WordPress website is our tagline. Test87 is our site title. And we want to change this. So normally a site title would be the name of your website, and the tagline could be your mission statement or even a motto, for example. So let us change this. All right, so all we need to do is move back to our dashboard. So let's go back to our dashboard and let us go over to appearance. So hover it, then click customize. And once you're in the customize menu, all you need to do is move over to site identity. Okay, so we have our logo and we also have our site title, and right below we have our tagline. So let's change our site title. And I'm going to make this a random site title, but I do recommend that you guys make this the actual name of your website if you are using it for a professional purpose. But just for this tutorial, I'm going to make this 87 tutorials, for example. So this will be our new site title. So once we're done, to publish this, all you need to do is click publish over at the top. If we reload our page, we see that our site title has changed to 87 tutorials. Alright, so let's change our tagline. So we see that our tagline is now just another WordPress site. Let's change this. Let's say, for example, making tutorials simple. And normally you'd want to capitalize the first letter of each word, but for demonstration purposes, we are just going to leave it as is. And once we're done, we just want to click publish. If we move over to our website and reload, we see that we have changed our tagline to making tutorials simple. And if we want to change it back, we could just go back to our customizer and type our old site name. So let's make it Test87 in all caps, click publish, and we have changed our site title again. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to hide or display your site title and tagline. So uncheck the box next to display site title and tagline, then click publish. And doing this removes your site title and tagline from the page. Some users may opt to keep their site title and tagline on the page for branding purposes, for example, but it's not absolutely necessary, and some people tend to just remove it. If you ever need to put it back, all you need to do is to click the same checkbox next to display site title and tagline and publish your page. So if you don't know how to add your logo to WordPress, there's also a video that was created that shows you guys how to add your logo. So you can view this video in the description below. So check it out. So right now I'm going to show you guys how to check your site title and tagline by viewing your page source. If we go back to our customizer and we display our title and tagline again, then we move back to our page. Let's just right click, then click view page source. And once this page opens, we just need to find our title and tagline. So normally this should be at the top of the page. So if we move over to the top on line number 6, we have our title, which is Test87, as well as making tutorials simple, which is our tagline. Alright, so now you know how to change your site title as well as your tagline in WordPress. And don't forget, if you guys need to know how to change your logo in WordPress, there is a video over in the description that can help. And I really hope this video helped. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.